Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install Counter-Strike 1.6 maps. And first we'll go to description and go to this webpage called counterstrikeplanet.com/maps. So here you can download your maps whatever you want and search for some maps. So I search for the museum. So here is it. Click search. And now you see here is the museum and the museum beta 2. So I take a beta to open them and scroll down and download the museum beta 2.zip. So click here and wait when downloading will started. Click save, click OK, and wait when this map is when this map downloading. So wait when he finished the scanning. And downloading is finished. Then you can close your browser and go to your download folder. Sorry about that. I don't know why my computer is lagging when I'm recording. So here is this zip file, and extract them on your desktop. So after extracting, close your download folder, and on your desktop you see these three folders. First folder is GFX, second folder maps, and last folder sound. So let's get started. First we'll open the GFX folder, click ANV folder and copy all .tga files. Then go to your Counter-Strike 1.6 directory, open them, then go to C-Strike and open the GFX folder, then find the ANV folder and right click and just paste in all sounds. Oh, sorry, I mean .tga files. Then go back and then go back here, and this folder we can close. This is it's done with GFX. Now we have these two folders, maps and sound. So open the map folder and copy this three files. Then go back to your C-Strike folder of your Counter-Strike directory, find the maps folder and just paste in here these three files. It's done with map. This map folder we can just close, and here is the last folder called sound. So open this sound folder and click ambulance folder and copy these all sounds. Then we can just close this sound folder. Now go back to your Counter-Strike directory, go back to C-Strike and find this sound folder in your C-Strike folder. Then find the ambulance and just paste in these sounds, and it's done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, subscribe, and thanks for the watching.